Alright, I'm going to show you how to do QR codes for our members. Basically what happens is when a new member signs in or logs in and fill out the application, QR codes, not QR codes, but the URL is sent to our database. And from our database, because the QR code is so long, we have to shorten it before we can create a QR code. So this is how I found it easy to do. So basically what you want to do is go to your LastPass account. If it's shared to you, you'll have access to all these things. You're going to have to open up 3 sites to help you. Alright. So 3 sites is going to help you get the QR codes together for the members. You're going to need bit.ly.com. You're going to need the QR code link. And you're going to need Avery Print. Okay. You have to sign into Avery Print and create you an account here. It's free. It's supposed to be every.com/print. Alright. Put in the code. It's the paper code, so it's 22805. And just to get this ready, I always click blank. And then I click next. Alright. In the text box, type Players Investment Club. Highlight it. I bring it to 8. Bring it, slide it up to the top here, like so. I add another text box. The second text box, I put in our motto. Highlight it. Also bring it down to 8, like so. Okay. I bring this all the way down to the bottom. Alright, now we're ready for that part. We don't need to add images. We don't need to add shapes. But we're going to stop here at QR code. So to do the QR code, you want to, the last member would be at the bottom, okay, of the pile. So you'll take the last person and make their QR code if you have a new member. But for example today, I'm going to show you how to do one. Here, you're going to double click in the the cell, and you want to highlight it, right click and copy it. Okay, then you want to paste it here where it says paste a long URL code to shorten. Paste it here, and it creates your short QR code. We save it and we close. And so now here is the new QR code, I guess you call index card. But we want to change the name. This person is Paul Coy. Alright, so you can see it here. F name means first name, and L name equals last name. So what I do here, because we are dealing with member attendance, I want to edit and type member attendance / Paul Coy. Save it. Now we're ready. Alright, so now you have your QR code, shortened QR code. You want to copy it. Alright, go to Avery, and you want to add the barcode. So this stays QR code, this stays URL. So we put our URL code in there. I click the reload so I can see it change. Then I click finish. Now, because I want it big enough, I bring it all the way up to each end. Like so. Okay. While that's up, I move down to arrange. While it's still highlighted, I bring it here. And then I want to do is send it back. Send to back. And then you can see Players Investment Club, we play markets. Alright, so before you go on, you should test it out. So I'm going to test it out here. Give me 1 second. You should have a QR code reader on your phone or some other device. That buzzing was the QR code reading it. I'm just checking to see if it pulls up the right stuff here. Okay, so it did. So it's pulling up the right stuff. Alright, so now that we have that all completed, alright, you want to click the preview and print right up here on the right hand side. Alright, so now it's got your QR codes ready, but we don't want to print a whole page of Koi. So what we do is, for example, I already used, you want to first click custom selection. I already used the first 4 rows. Okay, so the next row I want to, the first 3 in the first column, I should say. But I want to use the next one, so I'm going to keep it highlighted and take all the other ones off like this. So the only one I want to print is that right here. That's the only one. Okay, then you click print. Alright, now right here it says important to print successfully, be sure you uncheck fit to page. So make sure after you click open, you uncheck the fit to page. Make sure your printer paper is in correctly. Some printers you have to put the paper upside down. Some you right side up. It depends. For the printer at the office, we put it upside down. Then all you do is click print, and it should print the QR code right onto the sticker. And And that is how you do QR codes. Thank you.